Meteorologist Hammer City. This is Friday's Madness. Yay, it's a weekend, Memorial Day weekend, but for some of you, it's not going to be the nicest Memorial Day weekend. I think overall, Memorial Day is probably going to turn out pretty good for a lot of people, but the weekend overall might not be the best. All right, speaking of not the best, severe weather yesterday. We talked about that. A lot of reports, not as many reports as we saw the day before. Through this area here, but there was a lot of reports of severe weather yesterday and some tornado activity here toward Illinois, but not a lot of tornado. We still are running very low on the tornado reports this year. So I don't know. A lot of people, what's interesting is that I see people on Twitter are disappointed because we're not having as many tornadoes. It's kind of like, why do you want destruction for? That makes sense to me, All right. This morning we have showers and thunderstorms. Still some heavier thunderstorms down here through the lower Mississippi Valley, and areas today to watch are western Texas, maybe a little area over Virginia here, based on the SPC boys. Otherwise, a little bit of rain, mixed snow coming across Michigan this morning, and not showing too much on the radar this morning, but there is a little bit of snow. There's going to be a little bit of snow over here toward Ontario, up in the Adirondacks. Could be see a little bit of snow. Even a little bit back here through Wisconsin. Snow mixing in. Can you believe it? It's Memorial Day weekend. We're still dealing with snow. All right? By the way, I started looking at next winter already. It's going to be an interesting one. It's going to be an interesting one. I'll tell you right now. All right, like I said, little area over here, area back in here today for some storms tomorrow, high plains again, and then high plains of western Texas for severe weather. The surface maps this morning or by this evening shows low pressure coming across the mid-Atlantic states. That's why we've got thunderstorms there, but a cold rain. It is cold outside. I'll tell you one thing. I don't know about you. I stepped outside this morning at 5 o'clock. It was cold outside. It was. And this whole low pressure system is going to come in and kind of get stuck here for a couple days and make the eastern part of the weather ugly. Some thunderstorms along the cold front here and back here through Texas. And then tomorrow, rainy from New England all the way back in the mid-Atlantic states here. Cold rain at that. It's not a delightful weather pattern, folks. Okay. Showers and thunderstorms breaking out back in here. This is the thunderstorms we're going to have to watch with the simulator radar right here across Virginia over toward Chesapeake Bay. And then there's going to be some showers and thunderstorms along the front through Tennessee back into Alabama. These storms here occasionally will get frisky. Some hailstorms, maybe some supercell storms out here through western Texas again. And it could be a tornado or two here, but there's a few spots here of rotation tracks this morning on the morning models. Okay, nothing horrific, but there could be some hail and maybe a couple tornadoes there. All right, Sunday, our storm is off of New York City. Rainy weather up across the Northeast, kind of clearing up behind that storm, gradually clearing up. Probably not going to be the best clearing. And showers and thunderstorms in the high plains here. For the most part, a lot of people have nice weather here. The west is going to be dry and sunny. And we get to Monday, that storm's departed. So a lot of folks here that had an ugly weekend will end up having some sunshine, but still in the cool weather pattern. Not a hot weather pattern, just a kind of a coolish but nice weather pattern for a lot of you, all the way down into the south. All right. But things are going to change. All right. Winds are going to start to come up out of the south next week. And it is going to get very humid. Okay. A very tropical air mass is coming up. And you look at all the wind coming up from the southeast. All right. So everybody is going to get really humid across this whole area. West is going to stay dry and sunny. Not a lot of going on out there. Fire season is going to be bad. But that is going to be the issue. A lot of showers and thunderstorms around. We've got pockets of severe weather to deal with. And just going to be a very kind of summery type of weather pattern shaping up to kind of getting ready for summertime with the humidity really starting to come up. And you can see here's the dew points for next week, 60, 50 dew points all the way through. Everybody in the 60s and 50s all the way up into Canada by next Thursday. So very humid weather pattern shaping up. And I'll show you this, okay? The GFS is continuing to show this tropical feature in the Gulf of Mexico, which makes sense, you know? I mean, it kind of makes sense with the pattern. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. We'll see if that actually develops down there or not. Could be over here. Could be down in here. Don't know yet. But anyway, it's been pretty consistently showing this. All right, this was one of the things that last year with the GFS model, it did really well at showing tropical features developing. Now the placement of it was not the best, but it had the idea that something was going to develop. Okay, so again, kind of have to watch and see what happens here as we get in toward June, and whether we get early tropical development coming on. Okay, it's the way it works with tropical season. It looks like it's going to be another long. The NHC folks came out their forecast with above normal tropical storms this year, so could be another long season. We'll have to see how it all pans out. Good. I didn't see what my buddy JB has said yet. Yeah, I mean he's good at tropical stuff, you know. To me it looks like it's an average to above average season this year. A lot of storms developing close up this year. That's what it looks like right in here is where you can see a lot of development this year, because this blocking pattern just keeps coming back and keeps coming back. So it all makes sense. All right, that's it for now. Have a great weekend. I'll still be here. All right. Not sure yet whether I'm going to take the holiday off or not on Monday. I might be. I'll probably still be here doing my videos and stuff like that. That's what I do. All right. Have a good day. Meteorologist from America City.